Welcome to the project demonstration of Smart Cloud for home automation along with voice announcements. So in this project we have two sections. One is a transmitter section, another is a receiver section. So the communication module between these two sections are using Zigbee wireless communication. So here coming to the transmitter section, we have placed 5 flex sensors for the 5 fingers along with ADXL 345 MEM sensor to detect the angle of inclination irrespective of earth, and these sensors are interfaced to the Arduino Nano along with heartbeat sensor. So we have placed the pulse sensor, heartbeat sensor to measure the heartbeat of the person, those who wore this gloves, and also continuously monitoring the status on the 16:2 LCD screen. And here we are using breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout the modules, and APR33A3, that is audio playback recorder to announce the voices. So audio playback recorder will store the voices around of 3 seconds, and that can be replayed whenever we get provide the pulse input from the nano board or any controller to that module. So next, this one is a Zigbee module transmitter section, and this is the receiver section. And coming to the pin connections, we have interface of 5 flex sensors A0, A1, A2, A3, A6, A4, A5 for this MEM sensor, as it need I2C pins. So A4, A5 pins are the I2C pins in a nano board. And next, Zigbee communication at 0.1 pin, and LCD at pin number 2 to pin number 7, and A7 for the heartbeat pulse sensor, and APR33A3 interface at 8, 9, 10, 11 pins of the nano board. Okay, and the next, coming to the receiver section, Zigbee module receive the data. So how the data is sending, nothing but when we place this hand in rest position, then the flex sensor are used to control the devices by sending the commands through the Zigbee. So consider first finger, thumb finger fold, device on, and forefinger fold, it will be off, and middle finger folding, this light will be on, and ring finger folds, this will be off. So that only when we place the hand in rest mode, in this manner only. So when we tilt this in any direction, so above around 60 degrees inclination, then the system will enter into the voice mode. So then it will announce the 5 voices which we already recorded inside the APR33A3 module. So when we place the hand in rest mode, and when you fold this thumb finger, the data will send to the system like capital A. A character will be sent from the Zigbee, and that will be received by our PIC16F72 microcontroller. It will decode that. So we have provided set of instructions based on capital A, fan on, small a, fan off, capital B, light on, small b, light off. So that will be controlled with help of electromagnetic relay, which we are using 5 volt operated. So we are going to provide 230 volts AC inputs, and this regulated power supply board will step down and convert AC to DC, and we will get 5 volts constant power supply. So that was given to the parallelly to this fan and motherboard, and 230 volts parallel input is parallelly given to the load through the one electromagnetic relay. So the system will provide the connections to the electromagnetic relay at C6, C7 and B0, B1 for the Zigbee module. So this motherboard consists of mainly one reset switch to restart the microcontroller, and one crystal oscillator 20 megahertz, so which will provide the 20 mega clock pulse to the microcontroller. Based on the clock pulse only, the system will execute the instruction set. So let us see demonstration. So initially switch on the receiver section. Right. So on the power supply for the receiver section, and then mount the gloves on your right hand. Gently take care of the voice while you are mounting and unmounting the gloves. Right. Okay. And then you can get the power supply to the, you can connect the power bank to this USB also. So there's a welcome message initially, and we can see the heartbeat value displaying on the LCD screen. Right. It will varies based on the clock pulse input from this, pulse inputs, ADC pulse inputs, it varies. So when I'm inclining, keep this gloves in inclination. Okay, so when I place this in normal mode, so on. Right. So little finger, the ring finger should fold it normally. So in this manner, we can control the home automation from only 5 flex sensors by detecting the mode using MEMS ADXL 345 sensor. Right.